What's up, YouTube? So in today's video, I am repotting my seedlings. Uh, wow. I don't know if y'all heard that train in the background. I'm not redoing this audio. So, the fuck? I have not heard a train all day. No, I do not live next to a train station. The Metro North is like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 blocks away. Go figure that shit out. But anyway, right. So in today's video, I am repotting my seedlings. Um, they are very small, and some of them, not some of them, all of them have their true leaves. One day I'll make a video pointing that out when some of these seedlings, not seedlings, some of these seeds, I'm waiting on some of these new seeds that I started to sprout. So, yeah, you're gonna see me making a mess, very big mess, talking to myself with my hands because you can't see my face. Hmm. You'll see me putting the seedlings in their new pots, and it's a lengthy video. Fast forward it. You can fast forward it. It's just again to document the process so you guys can see all that I'm doing. And again, this is just to not let you know. This is just to inspire you. If you enjoy gardening and you live in an apartment like myself, but you want to grow some stuff you can eat, not just grow plants to look at, but eat them. It's possible. So, yeah, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.